I bet you think this one's easy. 7 divided by 7 divided by 7 divided by 7. Most people rush through this and say the answer is 1, but they're completely wrong. Here's what your brain wants to do. You see all those 7s and think, well, 7 divided by 7 is 1, then 1 divided by 7 is 1/7, right? And 1/7 divided by 7 must be 1/49th. Seems logical. But here's the problem. You're doing it backwards. Division doesn't work like a chain reaction where you can just go left to right randomly. You have to follow the order strictly from left to right. Let me show you the right way. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. That's our first step. Now take that 1 and divide by 7. 1 divided by 7 equals 1/7. Now here's the critical part. Take that 1/7 and divide by 7. 1/7 divided by 7 is 1/49. The answer is 1/49th, which is about 0.02. If you got this wrong, smash that like button, because you're not alone. Subscribe for more problems that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about basic math. Trust me, I've got plenty more traps like this waiting for you.